Hello everyone, it's the Missus here, and Mr. Rose and I are going to be reviewing and trying BRK Meats original beef bratwurst. But the first thing I noticed is that on the list of ingredients, it says pork, and I don't see beef anywhere except for on the label itself. So, interesting. We're trying it anyway.
Wild Rose Haven, homesteading. All right, Mr. Rose, so what are we about to partake of tonight?
The bratwurst from BRK Butchers with extra yummies by the missus.
That's my
Checking
homemade
it out.
coleslaw.
Yes, indeed.
I won't tell you how healthy
turn it
it
off.
is.
You can turn it off so I can eat it. It's okay.
All right, you have to taste it though.
Well, yeah, but
Okay,
you
well, you have
need.
to taste it.
Well, I can't taste it.
Just take a bite. Just take a bite, and we'll just hear.
Oh my gosh! I have to arrange my bums.
Oh.
Oh, see, it's all falling apart already. Oh lordy.
Okay. Just gonna listen. What? Well. And. Because you're Mr. Sausage Man. You're the sausage man. What's that? Well. Is it like the store-bought ones that we? Well,
Okay.
This
That
is
is
store-bought.
okay. It's definitely an all meat sausage. It's a little drier than you used to, but damn, it tastes good. That is some good. That's tasty.
No, this is supposed to be grass-fed, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Right on. Okay, it's my turn. And mine's a little bit more not exciting looking as Mr. Rose's. I just have sauerkraut and mustard on mine. I know. Okay, hold on. All right, is that a better picture? Good Lord, here we go. I'm gonna take a bite of mine. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow. Wow. That tastes completely different from the bratwurst we bought from the store. Holy smokes. And what's so amazing about these is that this meat, this sausage, came from here in our local area. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love. Okay, I gotta finish eating. Catch up with you guys later.
So I'm eating my second one, and you know what? If you ever eaten like a bratwurst from the store or something like that, and you eat it and it just kind of like goes in your mouth, it's tasty and it's gone. These you actually have to chew and eat on because these have got real meat and they're really just good sausage. Eating sausage makes you feel like you actually ate something.
Okay, so the way I cook these exactly how I was taught to cook them when I was a kid. And that was the purpose of this whole exercise. I think if Mr. Rose cooked them, he would have preferred just to pan fry them, which I'll do next time. But I tell you what, oh my Lord, I have never, ever tasted a bratwurst like this ever in my life. and I don't think I will want to go back because it tastes so amazing.
So the reason why I think it tastes a little bit drier and it feels a bit denser is because it is beef, but just with a little bit of pork, and it tastes fantastic.
All I can say is you have to check this store out. Go to their store because they do they supposedly ship and everything? You can order online, right? And they'll ship it to you? All right, well, we're going to verify that, and I will have it here in the video because we are so, I'll vouch for myself. I'm so excited. Are you excited about supporting local?
Yes, but I'm eating because I'm stuffing my face.
Okay, fine. And the thing is that the sauerkraut that I had is like, that's a store-bought sauerkraut. These buns, we got the buns from Walmart, and these are French roll buns, and this is my homemade coleslaw that I made for the first time tonight to accompany it. It's a new recipe, but the whole combination of this plate right here is just, oh my gosh, I want so much more. And that is it. So this is our review of these fantastic bratwurst from where, baby?
BRK. I'm stuffing my face. BRK Meats.
Oh, I thought you said BLK. BRK. Okay, BRK Meats, and we'll have them up here somewhere. A little picture of their stuff, so that way you guys can go check them out online and try them for yourself.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing